Hey guys, still really bad news. This disease is killing nearly most of my birds at the moment. I've lost my racing piston, its son, its for two white pistons, for a couple more. It's dying with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just have to keep an eye on what's going on. I've disinfected the whole of the aviary, and it's still not okay. I'm praying that it doesn't wipe out my loft. So guys, what's going on in the back? So we've got two new babies here. That was hatched a few days ago. It's just good. Now I've got two new babies here as well. I'm hoping this is not gonna kill all my birds, because I will be absolutely devastated if it does. Right, I'm going to end the video here, folks. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please comment, subscribe on my channel, give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. If you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my very best to answer them. Thank you guys for watching.